Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Message about Naija watch wey many people no understand. Today we are blaming Naija watch today. We dey blame Naija watch today, say na so Naija watch do this one, na so Naija watch do that one, na so Naija watch do the other one. Many people dey blame am. I tell una that I come say this Naija watch of 18 one time una go still spoil am, because nothing wey dey come for una wey be Benin people hand wey no dey spoil. So one time, one day, una go still spoil am. Really? E never even reach the time where I talk now. Una really spoil am. Today, you guys are blaming Naija watch. Na so Naija watch na push una take go for trouble. Na push una take dey fight una self for live video. They say they no dey tell person say me fall for where, me to fall for where. Pikin wey get sense, they no dey tell am say go fall for where, make e fall for where. Pikin wey get sense. Pikin wey get sense, you no go tell am say go insult your mama, make true go insult your mama. Majority of una wey dey do live video today, Naija watch na make una become wetin una become. Naija watch na make dem hear una name. So why today una come dey insult the man? Why today una come dey insult the company? You know, one I like to dey trade for where una no supposed to dey trade. One I like to dey insult people wey no insult una. One I like to dey talk to people wey no send una, wey no dey talk to una, wey no know whether una dey exist, wey dey run for una. As in, I don't know, sometimes I dey always dey ask questions sometimes, so una no vex o. This social media 15, whether they cause madness, because na only mad people na me dey see say they follow person wey no follow and fight. Mad person, na only mad person me see say they follow person wey no follow and fight, they fight. Normal person wey dey normal, wey head correct, wey get normal brain, no fit follow person wey no dey follow and fight go fight. Muna no vex o. I know, to me, I no understand una, I no know na story. But as in, the question when I dey ask, na question I ask o, muna no vex. Person wey no talk to una, one I dey like to dey talk to the person for live video on the name of wetin was the live video, and moreover, una don see where normal person dey follow person wey no follow and fight dey fight. That one na number one question. Una don see where crazy person wey normal person dey follow crazy person dey fight. Number two question. To me o meme me we ogwoma gbina. Ogwoma negwe gbina. Oma no meme ozuo. O meme. You see, today many of una make name. They know una today na Naija watch. Naija watch make many of you guys become a star. But today na Naija watch na continue dey do na topic. Na Naija watch na continue dey sing dey go. Na Naija watch na continue dey now na wan turn everything against. If una don craze for social media, muna keep una craze to una self. Muna leave Naija watch wey dey in you, because e no send una message. E use una make money, take pay us we important for inside. We understand. So, so no be insane you madness. Now you by yourself come and say you want do madness. You want the mad for social media. You want be mad person. Now, why you can't carry your madness now? Can't face person we say yo a responsible man we suffer day yo. You want use your madness to rob him. Must you rob someone with your madness? Stay your own. Stay cool with your madness. Mad only your mad. Dey there with your mad. Mad only your mad. Mad your own me you dey there. It's better than you dey mad. You can't dey mad with person wey not follow you mad. Or person wey not know whether you dey mad or you not dey mad. I don't understand. He's sorting Naija Wash that guy. That your Naija Wash that boy not be Benin boy. Na Yoruba boy. He sorted that boy on social media. No, I don't know as I take talk. Una we be Benin. Me I tell una the truth. Una we be Benin. Una don already made mistake. Una no find any place go chook una mistake put. Wa made a mistake in the social media na wa made a mistake in it. Wa fagbu wa ne wa fagbu wa ne wa zo ne. So wa gwa leke hizu owa ngwa do mu anyarun pa. Woni orisi enu wa na zo we live video. O ma gi wa hu. Naija Wash osi enu wa na zo we live video. You understand? Naija Wash you wa hu igo ya pay mana ni enegbe. O wa no zo. O gwaga azuo ni osi no na yuwa hu ego ni because umana azuo mana meme o mana gbon bu etin yawe hu ego duo meme. You understand? Sharon, please, no, nobody. Now this guy Naija Wash with the insult. Now this Naija Wash with the insult. Now say me I can't talk about. No, nothing dey happen. Ogun gbe rian meme ya abe rian zuo etin agbete we the decrease. I also me I can't address the issue. You understand? The mistake have already been made. As soon as you people have already made a mistake, muna no find anywhere, muna no find anybody put the mistake for a body. Everybody carry their cross for this social media. Everybody carry their cross. Everybody they come, may they go face their sins. Waiting they use their mouth talk for social media. You understand? Not be the one will be so now come out now. Why can't they insult the boy? Say na the boy now make saga not the finish. Naija Wash now make saga not the finish. No. The time when me to register Naija Wash paid me. Naija Wash make me become who I am today. When Naija Wash was sponsoring me, I enjoy Naija Wash well. Now because una dey craze, now make una no enjoy Naija Wash. Because that guy is a simple man. Una don't made mistake for una life finish. Una want turn now, una want twist am. Make una twist am, come put am for the man head. Naija Wash not send a message, my people. My lovely Benin people. Naija Wash not send a message. You know they find the way when I want to bring that company down, and it shall never be well with you people. Me with the talk, so Naija Wash this time. When Naija Wash stop to the carry on a video, me myself, me will be Naija Wash party, personal person will be say day and night. Me and Naija Wash will dey talk 24 hours. Naija Wash still drop me. Why? Because he don't want quarrel, he don't want noise. He still drop me, talk less of una. Naija Wash sponsor many of us. Naija Wash not send us more can go the Resort Palace. Naija Wash not send us more the Resort Chiefs where we get. Naija Wash not send us more with the no. Naija Wash only tell us say anything we know that is entertaining. Let us be doing something that is entertaining. More will they contribute for waiting the apple for Nigeria. More will they contribute for waiting we see for Europe here. Una understand? Say anything we still see for Europe here, we will still blog, we will still bring am out. He go still help us. Maybe people wey dey challenge Benin Kingdom, Naija Watch come say, okay, more we still dey tell them say no be so. That is what Naija Watch was fighting for. Naija Watch was even fighting for the betterment of the Benin. You understand? There was a certain time where be say if you insult Benin Kingdom, Naija Watch no blog your, you no go blog your video, you no go carry your video. E get one time when I carry Ogun come out, come dey swear for this boy that time. He say they know the YouTube no dey allow that something, that kind of things. Say no, me I no swear for anybody. Naija Watch, the time when Naija Watch dey rule us, we be presenter. Saga not many like this. We no use our mouth talk nonsense like this. Because as you dey talk, as me dey talk like this, Naija Watch go call you, go say if you know say na me wan carry this video, abeg this your topic e too harsh. Bring am down small. Then we'll come control ourselves. We'll come bring am down. That is what Naija Watch was doing that time. The time when Naija Watch come see say he no fit control us again, the thing come too much. Naija Watch come leave us. If una go look Naija Watch now see and say na program na dey carry, no dey carry our saga again. Sagas wey we dey do, Naija Watch no dey carry am again. Now una wan find where by where now muna turn Naija Watch, muna turn her to bad person. God no go gree for una. No, because we make name today na that guy. If una say una no enjoy Naija Watch, meaning una beat that guy for the good way do for una because he make una popular. The truth have to be said. I started this live video since 2014. I met Naija Watch 2018. I be 2017. Then I work with Naija Watch 17, 18, 19, 20. Wait, I do a first film for Germany here, 2018. More say beginning of 2018. More say 2017, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, more comot 17, 18, 19, 20. 3 years now take work for Naija Watch. I use good 3 years to work for Naija Watch. I enjoy them. Yes. Naija Watch don't sponsor many musicians. They don't sponsor many people. They don't sponsor many. When Naija Watch sponsor now, na so na want to pay am. I beg, sometimes una wey be Benin, mona no dey fight person wey no dey fight una again. I use God beg una. I beg you in the name of God, please stop fighting people who don't fight you. You understand? This man have been running from you guys from the one na the guy take the run for una. Una still go bring am come, una still go bring am out, una still go wallow am come. Una wan come turn and say, "Man, I send una message." I beg, may everybody hold where they hold. May everybody hold their peace. If you know, say you don't use your mouth talk nonsense for live video, carry your cross by yourself. No be person open Facebook for you. No use and rob person. No go use and rob person wey sit down in you. You understand? The time where we dey operate that Naija Watch, e no spoil o, we no spoil am. I tell una this time, come say una wey be Benin, as una all of una take jump enter this Naija Watch, una go still spoil am. See am now, una don spoil am. As una spoil am, now you drop all of us. Even me wey dey talk, so Naija Watch drop me. Me and Naija Watch no quarrel. He drop me. Me and Naija Watch we no quarrel. I surprised when Naija Watch drop me, join them. And na me I know they do saga. Na my normal topic I dey do well. Naija Watch drop me. Wetin use that thing me say if you no use cutlass take cut your mama pikin, your papa pikin no go fear you. Adani Naija Watch na yeti drop him. Are you where? Who can be you? We no fit drop. You understand? Why? Because the man no want trouble. I was surprised when they group me. Me surprised when they group me join. They group me join other people when they drop. You understand? That time, if Naija Watch give you post that time, we will celebrate them, we will dance. When we register for our time, when we register Naija Watch, we celebrate them. He go come give us file, we will come fill the file, fill everything, come give us paper. Till today, I'm still a member of Naija Watch company. Because I fill paper, I still get the paper, I get everything. You understand? Now we enjoy Naija Watch. So una we no enjoy am. Now because of where una get una how una take day. If una feel say Naija Watch use una make money, to gba me una you work we go near. Do why me here you work we go. If una no dey mad, they no use una make money. You understand? So he collects for una hand, take pay us. We will know ourselves. We will responsible. Ona ya dolly man. Ona ya dolly man. Now we enjoy Naija Watch. Not be the one who na come they do so. Where this one go they open YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The other one subscribe to my YouTube. For Naija Watch time, we know the chat subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now so we take the comments. We will do and go carry on. We know they stress ourselves too much. We know they beg people say, hey, come subscribe, no. So this is how you guys are. This is how you guys want to pay. You guys want to pay this man for the good he did for you guys. They know Edimofi today na Naija Watch. They know Iyore today na Naija Watch. Then many of us today na Naija Watch. There are people who don't know me for Facebook. They not just know me for Facebook. Majority of my fans na Naija Watch they for know me. Now I want spoil am. One I want spoil am now. What he do now? The man na politics, the man suffer they do they go on their own. One I want spoil am. Wetin Naija Watch do now? Mona let the sleepy lion sleep. For our time, we know the year say Naija Watch go come out for live videos. As this time now you can't come out they talk. No, our time we know they see Naija Watch for face. You understand? Before we will call ourselves, we will first write message for our Oga. Call us, I beg. Call me. For our time, that time. Even a D-way be social media president, he dey beg Naija Watch say call. You know the call person? That time. With respect. We build down Mona see enter. As una don't enter finish now, una spoil am. That Naija Watch, we build Naija Watch, make una way they come, Mona see and enter. When I don't reach there now, una spoil am. Aya wani. They use a curse una. That's here born wa. The curse una. Huh? For our time, we go call. Naija Watch no dey come out for live video, go come talk. We no know am for eye. Person wey me work for, I think let me say 2 years. 2 years before I come know and say Naija Watch be this. I come see am for video. Say see Naija Watch. Not be himself not tell me say na him be this o. No. Video na me for come see am. Say na Naija Watch be this. Wey person dey talk and say hey great Naija Watch, see Naija Watch on Naija Watch be this. Now we take no Naija Watch. that time for our time. But today, everything wey that man do for us, he like make the man not give una money. As soon as say give una popularity, he make una popular, he make una make name. For that reason, una supposed to dey regard am. Now even supposed to even dey find small thing for una say, ah, Naija, hold this one strong. Naija watch, hold this one strong. You understand? E get one certain time sef wey be say if I wan cut something come out for this thing, I say Naija watch, see wetin I wan do o. Abeg I wan help me do this one, I find small thing for you. You go do am, as you do am finish, you go say dem don do am, so una don do am. Me myself I go pay. I will dey donate money for the something. You understand? Me, I go print shirt, 3 shirts. We go print am, we put a Naija watch symbol with cap. E dey my Facebook there. I'll come find am come out for my former Facebook. I'll come find am come out, me I repost am again. More una see am. We build am, we come dey build am for our time, so that una wey dey come may still use that happiness, still take bring una up. If person come that time go say, I will go, I no get view, I no get this one, I wan do this one, I wan do that one, abeg I wan do am, so no worry, I'll invite you to Naija watch. I will come call Naija watch, I come dey beg Naija watch. Naija watch go say, okay, me I bring am. People, if I lie this night, people wey dey insult Naija watch, so na me will go. Na I carry their hand go give Naija watch, go dey beg Naija watch, make Naija watch carry them. Naija watch come say no, you no go carry them. Say girl dey take, they now say no, me carry them. Say they no be like that. People wey dey fight Naija watch, so na me carry them go give Naija watch. Oh. Why? Wetin the man do? This one go come message to Naija watch. The other one go come message to Naija watch. The other one go come message to Naija watch. Wetin Naija watch do now? And Naija watch send una message. Now they say una go dey insult Benin. Chief wey we get for Benin, Naija watch na say una go dey insult them. Native doctor wey we get for Benin, na they say una go dey insult them. Musician wey we get for Benin, na they say una go dey insult them. Oh, it did. Huh? Now they say una go dey insult them. Una don use una mouth talk. Una don use una mouth talk nonsense finish. Una wan find where put am for Naija watch body. Danijayi no dey there. Why not put am for Danijayi body? Name me gossiper abi I know how they call themselves. They no dey there. Why not put am for their body? Very soon now, even this aproko sef wey come so, very soon una go see spoil aproko just now. Una go see begin the fire aproko. Una don even fair fire aproko tire that time. Una don fair fire aproko that time. No be small. This one go dey say no carry my video. Hey, no dey carry my video again. Hey, no blog my video again. Who are you people? Una talk nonsense finish, una see this. For the nonsense una come talk for that video, una supposed to dey beg blogger, make blogger help una carry am. For the nonsense, for the trash una come talk for live video, una supposed to dey beg blogger, make blogger help una carry am. Abeg, anybody wey know say he don do bad, if you know say you don do bad, you don use your mouth talk nonsense for live video, abeg una no twist am go put for Naija watch body o. Naija watch no send una message come say come run, like una draw me go anywhere, I go come out come talk am, come talk this one. If Naija watch even call me for evidence, I go come out come talk. Come son come ray, may anybody wey know say he don use him mouth talk trash, he don use him mouth talk nonsense for live video, may no twist am for Naija watch body. Naija Watch no get wetin do any of una. No be Naija Watch send una message. You understand? The time wey we dey enjoy Naija Watch that time we suppose to dey kill everybody for live video now. We suppose to dey do for live video now. You understand? I beg you Benin guys, Benin people on social media, I beg you in the name of God, keep Naija Watch away from all these things. When we dey tough, the one wey we do tough pass the one wey na dey do so now. This one wey na dey do so wa memenia, ememoru wa hunvegenania. You understand? The one wey we do tough pass all these ones now. We no hear Naija Watch voice one day. We no use Naija Watch take talk one day. If anything come out like this, we will tell Naija Watch say, Naija, make you not just come out, make you just there, don't worry, everywhere is stew. We will make peace by ourselves. We go say, okay, we'll go, you sure? Now I'll say yes. Okay. Naija Watch never offended any of us one day. If you expect Naija Watch to pay you, Naija Watch did not pay you. For example, that one not be, I don't know as I'll take talk, and you do for me, I do for you, now it be. He make you a star. You supposed to pay for it by making you a star. But you expect I may pay you. Fine. The pay wey he want pay you now be by making you a star. The pay wey he want pay you, he make the whole world know say now you dey talk for there. Ugu. You understand? Sometimes when I do video, sometimes that time only 50 people, 90 people go dey watch me. When I register Naija Watch, if I do my video finish for Facebook like this, Naija Watch go cut am. He go blog am. If I go look am for Naija Watch, people wey go look am they will pass million. For people wey go watch am. So you expect me not to give somebody like that compliment? Compliment, no, appreciation. You expect me to not appreciate that kind of person? Please, let's appreciate the people who make us become who we are today. Let's appreciate people who brought us up. Let's appreciate people who make us somebody, who make us know. Everybody know who go today na Naija Watch. I still talk am for my program day before yesterday. I am who go today. It's the power of Naija Watch. Naija Watch make me who go today. Who go worldwide. Everybody know who go worldwide. Na Naija Watch. What are we talking? What are we expecting from him? Money. Many people wey dey carry una video this time around now, wey dey carry una video dey put for their platform, they blog una video for their page, they blog una video for different way. How many una don call for inside say may bring money come for una? How many dey bring money come for una? If una see my program full different people YouTube. So I just suppress. I just enter this one YouTube. We go message to so person. For another person YouTube. I just go another person YouTube like this. We'll go message. We'll go. Different YouTube people are carrying my program. I never call them when they bring money for me. So why disturbing Naija Watch? If Naija Watch carry your program, he support you. Yes, for our time we don't see that kind of support. If Naija Watch carry your program, or support you well. Naija Watch like you, now you carry your program. If you not like you, not carry your program. Many people we don't start this social media for long. They don't get name. They don't hear their name. You understand? If Naija Watch carry your program, you be Ghana for our time. You be Ghana. If una say this time now say Naija Watch come dey beg una, this time they beg una say me they carry una video. No, for our time na we beg Naija Watch. When Naija Watch go call us like this, we go dey happy. The day wey we sign Naija Watch like this, we dey celebrate am. People go dey tell us congratulations, go be like say we dey do birthday. We go dey drink go full table. Congratulations. Na Naija Watch na one country turn yeye so. No. No. Man, no try am. We repair Naija Watch. Now una see enter. I wish say una spoil am before una come. I wish say we spoil am before una come and not see am enter. We repair am. Wait for una. Una come finish now. Una wan come spoil am. Una wan come dey insult the guy. Now guy no be the guy send una message. Naija Watch no send una stupidity for live video. Yes. Naija Watch argue with stupidity with live video. Argue with zoo of a live video. I use God beg all of una. Mona let the sleepy lion sleep. As soon as see that guy so, as he quiet, they look all of una. Mona just pin. Mona just pin. Understand? Mona no dey fight person wey no fight una again. When Naija Watch why? What say Naija Watch here? Naija Watch or see am no gbadu na. I use God beg all of una. No one you know ente nonsense in a live video. If you know say you don't use your mouth talk rubbish for your live video, I beg, no find anybody use and rob. No can go look for anybody put am for head. Now one can tell us now say Naija Watch na cause am, na make all these calamities come full everywhere, come full Benin. The nonsense wey you dey use your mouth dey talk wey you put for your own YouTube. Not be your YouTube dey cause the nonsense. Abi? Na Naija Watch na dey cause am. Na dey cause the nonsense wey una dey use una mouth dey talk. Una dey insult Benin, una go insult Benin finish, una put am for una YouTube. Una come dey say subscribe to my YouTube channel. One and one come use am rob Naija Watch. Everybody get their own YouTube channel. Una get una own YouTube channel. Na so Naija Watch see dey operate im own there. So una no use una own tackle am. And Naija Watch of a man, that man, he make many of us become a star today. People know many of us today is Naija Watch. One and one beat that guy. One and one beat that guy. One and they insult that guy. Wetin una say me do for una? You no try. Naija Watch no be social media presenter. The Naija Watch wey social media. Naija Watch because YouTube come full everywhere now. Una dey see subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to una stupidity. Hey, una go talk stupid things finish. They'll come say more subscribe. Una talk stupid things finish. Una subscribe. Una curse person papa, curse person mama, curse person children finish. Una put am for YouTube. Una go dey say subscribe. Because una see that one there, na make una come dey insult Naija Watch. And Naija Watch make una become star today. They see they beat person wey give person power. They see they beat person wey do person good. For me, I don't know how to talk am. If una treat Naija Watch this way, na bad thing na una do. May everybody go carry their cross. If you know say you don't fuck up, you don't fuck up. No use your pepper body, continue rob person wey sit down you. No be Naija Watch send you message. You no concern Naija Watch. Una your officers, una your right hand. They say message to Naija Watch. I want to talk to Naija Watch. I want to go Naija Watch. Now use and see viewer. Many people wey want come listen to you, they know say na stupid thing you want talk because person wey you want talk to, they don't know am for face. You understand? Naija Watch is a big company wey be say me fit come out just now go say na me be Naija Watch. I feel your come out just now say yes na me be Naija Watch. Another person fit come out he go say na him be Naija Watch. my baby Ladion wey na him be Naija Wash. So not be only one person be Naija Wash, but the CEO wey una just know we say okay na him be that. Because una know am, na make una face am. But our time, we not quick know am. We not quick know am now. He go only dey talk to you for phone, but you no see am for face. Naija Wash go only dey talk to you for phone, but you no see am for face. E hard for me before me know Naija Wash for face. Me as a presenter, na me wan present something, na me wan do the something. If Naija Wash dey talk to me sef, I go dey shake for mouth. For our time, that time. You understand? Now we enjoy Naija Wash. The time when Naija Wash dey control us that time, many people not dey stupid for live video like this now. Yes now. Because say una no want una back to his rules and regulation. Now make all of una run leave am. Una still comot leave am finish. Una still dey insult am. Because e dey tell una the right thing. Na so one come out that dey say na Naija Wash say me dey insult people. How can somebody will tell you to fall inside the well, you to fall inside the well? You dey craze? You dey mad? You be mad person? Person go tell you say fall for fire, you to go fall for inside the fire. How can Naija Wash go just look you go say me dey insult people wey no insult you? Me wey be say yes, I register. I still get the paper here. Tomorrow I go show una my people. Naija Wash never tell me to insult person. E get some video when I do, e get the insult when I insult person for the video. Naija Wash go drop that video. Una know how many of my video when Naija Wash cancel? E no green. You go say no go. This video is too harsh. E dey control us that time. That time we no dey see all this juju. We no dey see all this ayilala paper. We no dey see different this thing. We no see all those come dey summons ourselves, so we no even dey tell ourselves expensive word. Why? Because of Naija Wash wey wan carry the video. If we dey talk for live video, we dey prudent. We dey use brain. We dey use brain. We dey use maturity. If you dey talk, Naija Wash go sit down dey watch you. E get wetin you talk, go call you, go say you go. Abeg if you do that video finish, you drop that video, my brother. Abeg, we no carry am. Sometimes they'll come go the cutty. If they see say the video tough well, they'll come go the cutty am so that maybe where we for talk wrong, bad thing, they'll go cut and comot. Make them not quick understand that. He go tell you say, Ugo, as you dey end this video, I bet you just dey delete am. As you just dey end am, I just delete am. As I dey delete am, na so Naija Wash go just dey operate for that side. They go dey cutty the bad place comot so that me you no dey trouble. That thing na Naija Wash come dey do wey this piece say e no plead all this bad head wey dey insult this man so. Because they don't want to be controlled. They feel they are Lord. They feel say na they be their oga on their own. Before you become an oga, you no be person wan make you become oga. Majority of us talking on live video today, we make name today is the power of Naija Wash. How many of us dey watch us for Facebook? 5 people, 10 people, sometimes 20 people. The day wey you see 50 people wey go watch you, go dey happy. The day wey you go see 50 people wey go watch you for our time, that time, you go dey happy. Sometimes 20, 30, 10, now we dey see wey dey watch us that time, we go dey happy. But when we go, when Naija Wash go start to dey carry your program, we will come spread, we will come wide. When you go watch am for Naija Wash, about millions, thousands of people go watch you, millions of people go watch you. But for your own Facebook wey you for do am, you no go see people wey go watch you. You go come dey say, God, that I want to make name. But you are surprised when people go dey say, I see you for Naija Wash, oh. Ugo, hey, Ugo, hey, I see you for Naija Wash. Only that thing we do for una alone, is it not okay? Why una wan beat am? They see the bat finger wey fit person. wetin that man do now? The man avoid all of una ever since. Still avoid una reach una still go wall all this man come out. What you why na? Wani bi edo wa gbegbe. Abeg if una know say una don see aga for Facebook, why who was one of the Facebook? Muna not use and rob anybody. Muna not find anybody use and rob at all. If you know say you don't craze for Facebook, you don't do your live video, you don't mentor, you don't be fool for your live video. Abeg, no use and rob person. Carry your cross by yourself. No find person, no drop person join body wey go follow you draw the carry the cross. Carry your cross by yourself. You understand? No be Naija was send una message. Naija was not send una say muna go dey insult Benin people. They not say muna, you not say muna insult chiefs. You not say muna insult our native daughter. You not say muna go dey insult our musician, our actors and actress. You know say muna dey cause person pikin, muna dey cause person mama, muna dey cause person mama. Naija was only tell you say unu now wey dey do social media, what we want is anything entertaining. Anything entertaining. Based on if you come out come talk about wetin dey happen for Benin, all those Boko Haram, all those kind accidents wey happen, this one do this one, church people do that one, all those tough program wey be say yes, you see something wey you just see for your eye, say maybe person keep person for Germany like this, you come see am, you record down, you come use am do topic. Na Naija watch dey say okay, muna dey carry. Say muna dey curse una papa, dey curse una mama, dey curse una children, dey curse una grandmama, curse una grandpapa, dey bull una sef. Naija watch not send una that one. One girl wan come talk like say Naija watch tell am say me dey insult person. Naija watch can never tell you to insult people. Why Naija watch not tell you me you can't insult me? Why Naija watch not tell me I insult you? As you insult me, make I can't insult you back. Understand? Person who don't know if you are existing, you are coming out on live video to insult the person. Naija watch don't know if you people are existing, but you people will come out on live video to bull him. He don't know now. Una you use here Naija, una no even know wetin be Naija watch here. Na here una tell here. Like the time when Naija watch dey operate direct on Facebook, where they from Facebook they pick our topic, they put for YouTube. This boy wey they call wey data wey they call Dion wey abi whatever, all those one never come. And not be this year another one start live video wetin concern Naija watch. This boy wey dey for Germany here, wetin they call that boy, me and Tieni, which day still start live video, not be 2000 now still last year now 220. Now last year now start live video now. You understand? Wetin concern Naija watch. You know am. You understand? Okay, una say na me and you TV, una say na you still get me and you TV. Yes, normal. Na Naija watch na get me and you TV. But not be in the operate am. Na people still dey there with the operate am, wey be me and you. You fit do any program just now. That me and you wey dey there, you go pick am. If anything still come out, you go still pay people. And that same me and you TV sef, e even bring many people high. Benin people, one are the beat person wey dey protect, wey dey support una. Now this live video all of us dey, we know wetin dey happen. Now ote now go talk to wey go dey believe una. No be we wey know wetin dey sup. No be we wey know wetin dey happen. Now go dey tell wey go dey believe una. We wey know wetin dey happen. No be una go dey tell something wey go dey believe una. Majority of una today say una make name today na Naija watch. Na Naija watch na bring una come out. Hello guys, muna wake up now. Benin people, one of the fight people wey not fight una now. You understand? Before I register Naija watch, na so I do now. I sweat. You understand? I sweat. I go do program like this finish. I go dey beg Naija watch make carry my program before I come become bona fide member of Naija watch. wey be say yes before anything like this naija world go first call me say go see how e dey play see wetin play I say okay wahala no dey everywhere good no worry we go start dinner. But today when naija watch wan scan everybody comot for body wey wan remove everybody till today till tomorrow if una say na lie anybody wey know naija watch make call naija watch ask naija watch say naija watch wetin we go do you naija watch no go see anything talk say we go do am. He can't me join them. Me as a guy I just still understand am say I no wan trouble am me I leave am. Sometimes if you no carry my video I call am say naija watch you no carry my video wetin dey happen. Till today because of naija watch I no still dey put my program for YouTube. When I go there I no see any of my program for my YouTube na only my films now dey put for my YouTube. Naija watch don stop to dey carry my program I no know. I come begin dey tell people dey go say nobody should carry my program only naija watch and me I no know say naija watch no dey carry my program again. Why? Because we repair am down more na enter as una don enter finish na come spoil am na spoil naija watch na. We wey na come meet for naija watch we no spoil am na we use respect take do am we dey do am well everywhere dey stew everywhere sweet. Before naija watch come change am come say okay mo come dey do am by YouTube. He go come send you by email then he go come make you an admin. So if you wan do any program you go enter. If you enter your YouTube like this you come be naija watch you do your program you comot there. You understand? So naija watch come take dey do am before naija watch come remove me kpatakpata come remove me come drop me. He drop me I no trouble am I leave am. But me wey he drop for no just cost na me suppose to dey shout today hey naija watch na bad person na me suppose to dey talk say naija watch bad person. Na we suppose to dey say naija watch bad person. Talk less of you wey naija watch no just know you come out for live video you come dey shout naija watch message to naija watch na him send you message abobi if una don use una mouth talk nonsense finish for live video una no go use am rub naija watch e no send una message una hear una dey una own una dey make that guy suffer e dey e no send una message yeah. If you use una make money na the sense wey God give am and na that sense na you go take care of your children take care of your wife take care of all your family in Jesus name. Una hear ugwazuo na you wa hu iwo na. You understand? Why? Una no want una dey under person. You don't want to be under person na dey worry una. I wan be oga on my own. I wan be oga myself and na person na make you oga. After you don be oga na you say you no wan loyal to person wey make you oga. When you wan go write agreement for work wey you wan go learn work na the oga wey wan teach you work na go pay you na go give you money wey you take write agreement. No be you by yourself use your money write agreement. Oga go come teach you work before you go do freedom oga go give you money. If you don free you go dey your own. No be say you don still go dey your office you begin dey insult the oga wey still teach you work. So come sun come rain I dare anybody make come follow me argue am say majority of live video presenter that make name today it is naija watch. It's the power of naija watch. Na naija watch make them make name today make them become who they become today. Na the Murphy na wan talk nobody know the Murphy before now. Na naija watch na post am na. Even me who go nobody know me before. Na naija watch na bust am na. You understand? Na naija watch na boast me. Many people many presenters wey na wan talk iyore na wan talk na naija watch na bust am na. Dem make you naija watch make you all become star today you people are insulting that guy. Una no insult am e no get wetin e do una. Una go dey una dey. I fit tell una anybody wey una insult on a wrong way like this, I will come out and will defend that person. If the one with my eyes you. Okay. We, before we enter Naija wash, before Naija wash sign us, na so we do. The day when Naija wash call us, call me, we celebrate am. Honorary call now they tell you so. We celebrate am when Naija wash call. Ask if una say na lie, una ask Naija wash himself. We celebrate am. Before I come register, I go keep the paper. Tomorrow I go show una the paper. We celebrate am. Many of us when Naija wash employed that time, as in when we register Naija wash that time, all of us we celebrate am, all of us. But why today now? Na so na one come take pay am. After e don turn una to star, e don make una become today. So this is how you guys want to pay him. Waiting. Blind man dey see this one now. But my people, me I leave una. Benin people, I beg. I use God beg una. Mona leave this man. If una know so una don mistake for una social media lifestyle, for all those nonsense and dubious whatever una dey talk, una dey do for live video. If una know so una don use una mouth made mistake, abeg mona no use am rub Naija wash. Mona keep Naija wash away from this thing. Mona by una sef go carry una cross. No be Naija wash send una message. Wahon Naija wash magi wahon. Understand? Ununu wa so Naija wash go wara. The sing wona sing na Naija wash help una man. Naija wash no send una message. Una hear? Naija wash no send una message. I beg. I use God beg una. Muna let the sleeping lion lie. That man, Naija wash, muna leave that guy alone. Or mama know why. Don't be that man send us message. Naija wash is not our problem. We are the problem. We are our problem by ourselves, not Naija wash. Now hear me. All of una don open na YouTube, una don get YouTube. If una dey mad for social media, una go dey say share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for una madness, for una papa, una mama wey una wan come curse, for una children, una wife, una husband wey una wan come curse. Una go dey say subscribe. I should come and subscribe to your stupidity. You understand? I should come and subscribe to your stupidity. You expect Naija wash make you come carry that your stupidity, for example. The time when Naija wash dey really dey operate for our time. If you curse Ogun like this, Ogun go kill you. Naija wash no go carry am. Yes, for our time. You say Ogun go kill you. This person like this, so Ogun can agbera, Ogun gbiju, Ogun na go kill your pack your man. Naija wash no carry that video. Our time now they tell una, so now they let una they know so. So after na don curse Ogun, curse Ogun for una fellow presenter. Na don curse him papa, curse him mama. Na don spoil him career, bullshit am anyhow. Talk to her, insult him children. The one wey not born, na don use pikin laugh that one finish. Then una go say subscribe to my YouTube channel. I should come and subscribe to your stupidity. Wa salwa. As all of una don get YouTube channel now, una don dey craze now. They say make people come dey subscribe for una madness. Make that madness continue dey enter una head. Then una wan come dey pour am for Naija wash body. My people, Naija wash no send una message. Anybody wey just pour am for this social media like this, so the pour is waiting for you in front. So no come use am rub Naija wash. Naija wash no go follow anybody carry their cross. May everybody carry their cross by their self. By una self, with una self and una self.Unda social media logga. Ore wu. Oge Naija wash ni. Muna just carry and go one side. Naija wash no get wetin e do una. Muna go carry una cross by una self. Muna no call Naija wash make us join una carry cross. No be say muna go dey insult Benin kingdom. No be say muna dey insult Benin people. not be Naija Watch son and dey bull people. You understand? The time when Naija Watch dey tough, wey we dey operate Naija Watch, we no spoil am now. We repair am. You understand? We repair am. We even dey pay put. And from here they even dey pay. We dey pay put. Say Naija Watch, I'll put so money like this. See wetin I wan do. See wetin I wan do. That time. You know they ask us money but we go still pay put. Say oga, you don try. Go use this one drink beer. No understand? I beg. I use God beg una. Even we get one time sef. You know, if you register Naija Watch, when Naija Watch new come, the time wey they never spoil Naija Watch Naija Watch get money wey dey pay every month. When you do video for 3 months, after 3 months Naija Watch will start to dey pay you. Now we chop Naija Watch money now. We chop Naija Watch money. Now we chop. We enjoy Naija Watch. Why? Because we dey follow rules and regulation. E dey give us no rules and regulation. Say, hey, don't no insult. If you wan curse Ogun, abeg, know the way you take talk am. Not be say Ogun go kill you. If you do am, I no go carry your video. You understand? Now we chop Naija Watch money. If you talk say you be live video presenter, you no enjoy Naija Watch, you no chop for Naija Watch money, you know say you no be live video presenter now. You never present anything now. You be fool that time now. You dey do anyhow. You dey talk anyhow. You know the cap well. You get dull head. Now make am now. Understand? Who will be sharp nigga? We know I would relocate. I would relate to me. You understand? We now would enjoy am. We spend money put, we still enjoy am. We see wetin we spend money for. I dey use am. If the rest of una no use am boast, me dey use am boast today. Say I am who go today on live video na Naija Watch. Yes. Na Naija Watch. No be 10 people wey dey watch me for live video that time. Na Naija Watch. From Naija Watch, na me be the first person wey start to dey get highest view for live for Facebook through Naija Watch. Mona ask. Na me do video wey be say instantly I get 6,000 something view. Stand by, just dey watch me by Naija Watch. For Facebook that time. You understand? So not be my feeding. So please, if you know say you don't use your mouth to insult people who you don't suppose insult, no include Naija Watch. Not draw Naija Watch join body. May only you want go your hellfire. I bet that Naija Watch more than self relief am. Me self see go face in your own. He get many expenses wey that guy dey face. So una for social media problem not be problem. Una let that guy suffer go face in your own problem. You understand? Una wey use una man talk nonsense for live video. Mona no use am disturb that man. Mona go fire by una self. Mona not draw and follow una body go the fire. No. Manani ene gbeni rugwe Naija Watch. Manani emi ofu megbe marie. We are going to the kingdom of God. So now where they go the kingdom of fire, I beg. Mona they go. Mona not draw Naija Watch follow body una here. Mona go. If you know you have already made mistake on live video, you have already made mistake in your life because you decrease for live video. That was working in live video. I beg. I use dog take dog you. I use dog gonna go and carry your cross by yourself. You hear me? Leave Naija Watch alone. All presenters, Edo presenters, leave Naija Watch alone. Now the message wey I can't give una be that. Now no say na me be go. I don't hold. I know they talk too much for live video again. I know they fit talk again. The time wey me dey do saga, You see all these people wey dey use me dey do saga, so wey dey use their mouth talk nonsense about me. So the time wey me dey do saga, wey Naija Wash know me, I go let am know say, man, Naija Wash this video wey I wan do, so you no go carry am, no carry am. I know say you no go carry am. I first call am down, say you no go carry am. I know say you no go carry am. Just leave am. Ya gwo yan ve na odigun ogun me wa mula din wa modigun la din akarin yan. But today na me come cool pass. If una dey see my video, most of una wey dey watch me, my video no dey harsh. I dey gentle. If I even dey do saga sef, like I do saga day before yesterday na with Esther. Una see am, e gentle, e cool. You understand? E cool, na cool saga. Sofri dey talk am small small, very cool. I no dey harsh for my video. You understand? There again, me now wey saga no where I never weak. Say na the time where I never weak. You know, say if you don't too take for something, you come weak now. If na the time where I never weak, me go rien I go even dey side bus like this, I go dey go rien. I go come down for a side bus, I go dey go rien. I go even dey walk like this, I go dey go rien. Me as a go rien here to be and to re phone here do I call him go wetin I do you. Egbe ore di mo fi we gani. Iri ze go ore di mo fi na to boy ga on e ga rule le ran wiri here. Better gane di mo fi na wana akpo bonnet di mo fi we di mo fi onwin, di mo fi win. Be me ri win di mo fi ti to data ye himia. We go ore di mo fi ne. E di mo fi ye himia tin today. Although I ha we ya boy ne beto ye himia. They still dey beg. You understand? So please, Benin people, more love ourselves. We love each other. More we dey love ourselves. More we get one love for each other. Una hear? Una see that man Naija Watch. More na you remove that man for una register. More na face una sin by una self. More na face una. That man run from una. Nah, go drown your body. If you ask anybody on social media and say wetin Naija Watch do you no go see wetin he talk say he do am. I was surprised when I see when Naija Watch was talking on live video. I think like the video I did about like the video I saw not quite long about Iyore. When Naija Watch they talk about Iyore. First in history, when I tell see Naija Watch come out they talk. Na be that. A Naija Watch you live video. Naija Watch no dey do audio. E no dey talk. We know dey see Naija Watch say Naija Watch go dey talk. Me surprised see Naija Watch dey talk now. I surprised say Naija Watch dey talk. For our time, Naija Watch they no know am. We no know am. To see his face na trouble. You go call Naija Watch for video like this, you no go pick am o. No, he go cut and he go come call you for audio. Go say, waiting. We do like this before we know Naija Watch for face. Naija Watch no dey talk for audio or come dey talk for this thing or come dey no. We no see Naija Watch like that. Wa wolo eladian. Una briga come out, una go fingaran, go chukuchukuan, carry am come out. But I will say na so we beat am that time. Una for come meet am. Everybody wanna first make friend. All of them no one wanna no beat. Uwagbe ya zogo. Everybody as una take the craze for live video. Everybody wey don first follow una do friend. Una beat all of them. You know if you follow live video presenter do friend more than no quarrel, may not come out for social media. He must bully you, he must come for your hand for social media. Who does that? Oh bully where efubiwa. Waya loriari. Why say Naija Watch born here? May I leave una. I beg, if una see people they talk about Naija Watch for live video, mona no they believe them o. Anybody wanna see say they talk about Naija Watch for live video. I bet mona no dey believe them o. Mona no believe o. If dem pull live for Naija Watch head, mona no believe o. Na lie dem dey talk o. All live video presenter for Europe here, Edo live video presenter for Europe, all of them are bloody liar. They lie o, na lie na full their mouth o, na lie see they kill them one by one o. They lie o, na lie o. Mona not believe them o. Everything wey dem wan talk about Naija wash, all of them na lie. Na me who go, na I come talk am so. I beg my people, anything wey dem wan talk about Naija wash or wey dem dey talk about Naija wash for live video, all na lie. We know the time when Naija wash take come. We know the time when Naija wash take help everybody. So we not gonna know the time when I take help Naija wash back. We know the time when I constantly start to dey insult Naija wash for the help wey help una. So everything wey Naija wash, wey dey talk about Naija wash for live video, wey Benin people come present am, Benin people wey dey Europe here present about Naija wash, may anybody no believe am, all na lie. They are all bloody liar. Mona no dey believe live video presenter for Europe o. Mona no dey believe wetin dem dey talk o. Una dey hear am so. Mona no believe dem o. No believe Benin people wey dey do live video presenter for Europe. Mona no believe any of them. All na bloody liar. Everything wey dem dey talk, mona no dey believe dem o, na lie. Anything wey dem wan come talk about Naija wash, all na lie. All of them are all bloody lie. Mona no believe anyone. I still remember General Kodowa Ugo Dogo Akataka, animal wey no dey fear lion, small boy wey no dey fear uncle wey go fit beat am. Na maybe that. I greet all of una. Everything wey dem wan talk about Naija wash for live video, na lie dem wan talk. Na lie dem dey talk o. Mona no believe any of them. If you know say you get contract wey you dey give Naija wash, Mona continue to dey give am. You are in safe hand. Naija wash is a nice man. Mona continue. Na nice company na be that. Na nice. He's a nice blogger. Understand? Mona no let these people spoil that man career o. They want me to damage that man career, and God no go gree for una. They want spoil that man career. That man no get wetin he do them. Everything wey they want talk about that man na lie o. Who go believe me believe, who no still believe me still take am like that. Una no dey feed am na. But everything wey they want talk, na we dey do live video. Na me dey talk am now say all live video presenter here in Europe, as we take be Benin people wey dey do live video, all of us na liar. We are all bloody liar. Everything wey we dey talk for live video na lie. So anything wey dey talk about Naija wash, na lie na dey come dey talk o. Na lie dem wan talk. All na lie. Ore yahin. Una hear? Na lie dem dey talk o. I dey tell una now. Mona no believe o. Na that man career dem wan make dem spoil o. Dem don go plan am o. If dem wan spoil something, dem go plan am down. Na make saga no dey finish wey be say many people. I see Johnny Bizugbe just now dey online just now. Or say no be Johnny Bizugbe na din and severi oni, because all of them are bloody liar. Una no see where Johnny Bizugbe dey gworo one since, they gworo all of them since. Why? Abi man yen gworo ni omo ore yahin, omo ore bo mo hame o ibun se wuwe. Or no say me wa support Johnny Bizugbe no wa gworo yan. Me wiki ne. Obi afan of yan. I don't weak. If not that, na ave na gieregbe ni ya. Ave kun kin ava gbe hun. If una see them very dirty things. Avo zu, avo bolo, we aga na vano we anado mieso ne no wo kin ave ruli we vani na wo kin ye nyama hungry people. They mean ye boa butwa, ave ni buzwa, avo zu onu me. The many who no fit control a house, they control person house. Who no fit control a wife, they control another person wife. Who no fit control a husband, they control another person husband. Who no fit advise a wife, they advise person. Who no fit talk to person, they talk to person. Who no fit talk to a wife, they talk to another person. Who no fit take care of his children. Wey be say if your wife no go sell bitter leaf, come pikin no pay school fees, pikin no go chop. They advise another person, they talk to another person, they insult person, we get children, we deal with his children. Nonsense. Now you come out for live video, they cap anyhow, they talk anyhow, they do anyhow. Anything where they talk about Naija wash, all of them are lie. More than not believe anybody. Oh. They want spoil that man career. They want make they just kill that name. That name will never fall. That name no go die. Lie. You understand? They want make they spoil that name, and they will never do it. It will never happen. In Jesus' name. That man will supersede all of you all. All of una dey craze. Na Naija wash na one face now. Now na one pour una stupidity for your body. Una don use una mouth talk nonsense. Muna go face una penalty. Muna no draw Naija wash follow body make come join una face penalty. Awawa. Make that man just dey yo. That man no dey fool himself as una fool una self for live video. Wagbe onya o. I mean on wa my tier bona. Great people wey we get for Europe here, una don insult all of them. And now una be naughty people. Who no fit take off your pikin, no fit take off your pikin. Who no fit take off your wife, no fit take off your wife. Who no fit take off your husband, no fit take off your husband. Who no dey baff well self, no fit baff well. Who no dey take off your mama, take off your papa, take off your people for us, no fit take off your people. They'll come out for live video, come dey premajoke, come dey talk nonsense. Come dey talk anyhow, come dey cap, they do anyhow. They form gree. As now they watch all of them, so all of them are fake life. Like one stupid one will come out that day, they say, hey, gonna get clothes, now not get this and that. See, now where they put my clothes with this? Now see, I so clothes, now full am. New ones where I never wear. All of them are fake life, all of them they use. Why work be America, y'all know what was war a live video. Now cause they use Nama, they talk nonsense. If una see person wey just knack one puree for una for there or knack semo for una mona chop semo finish come drink one bottle of 20 cent beer. Knack and put finish now come carry phone face body dey premajoke dey use una mouth talk nonsense. Money wey I take dey shoot film alone, wey I take dey do film, money wey I take dey shoot film alone, you go reach to take feed family. You go reach to take feed your full family for Nigeria, you feed them, go still remain. Only money we are to sponsor only one film for here. Now na papa heard that for the same money we are to sponsor my film. Again, we know they see better thing when they talk for live video, not pass bullying, not pass Google kill your papa, Google kill your mama, awa bera, awa biue, awa beue, ero gbemo you are, no gbeno pa you are. Now wetin we dey see for live video be that, and know they make sense. How can you come out to live video, you spend more than 1 hour 30 minutes, not be even 1 hour, more than 3 hours on live video. Everything wey you want talk na insult, no one way they make sense. Now to come and the insult person, we go kill all of una. My dear, we no be Johnny Bizugbe wa do wani, he only Johnny Bizugbe, we no boy wa do wani, oh boy do wa de, oh you waffle. And ya wa support every boy you can only wa. Understand? As soon as if una say una no leave Naija wash, me I go carry Naija wash matter put for head. Una no say my own I know they do a hash. As I dey do am so na so the software they do am small. But my people, the point is that we wey dey talk for live video, Benin live video presenter in Europe here, all of us we are all bloody liars. No more no believe anything wey dem wan tell una about Naija wash. Na only that thing I wan tell una. They say na small one word na dey tell pikin wey get sense. If e reach inside belle, e go come expand, e go come turn to many things for inside belle. Abeg, na one word now I come talk so. That one word, everything wey we dey talk for live video all na lie. Anything wey we wan talk about Naija wash na lie, all of them be. Una hear? Agree to una. I still remember General Koduwa Ugo. The time wey we dey operate Naija wash for our time, I operate Naija wash for 3 years. Muna calculator na pikin wey dey born for 3 years. Pikin wey dey born for 3 years, they no dey send a message say go bring water come for me. 3 years now to operate Naija wash. 3 good years. Now me and Naija wash they do contract to each other. 3 years. We don't see stupidity. We not come out one day come dey insult Naija Wash. Why? E make us a star. Naija Wash make us a star today. Many bloggers, you know why Naija Wash fuck many bloggers up? Many presenters up. And why many presenters come fall down today? Why some no come make name? Why some even come dey quarrel with themselves? So whether they insult themselves, not be Naija Wash dem dey insult, na their head. Whether they insult themselves, so when Naija Wash contract me, come say this contract may I sign am, say na only him one with me and you TV, which na Naija Wash na still be me and you TV, and he come say him wey be Naija Wash na only him one na go dey carry a video. Na make, if una see my video that time, go say this video is for Naija Wash only. This video is for Naija Wash only. Now the right put only me one. Nice, that is na me sign that thing, but only me one. I follow that rules and regulation. Nobody carry my video apart from Naija Wash. Nobody can dey carry my video apart from Naija Wash. Now can dey carry my video. So I no gree me anybody, any blogger. I no even change blogger. Say make this one they carry, make this one they carry. No. Before we can't finish, everything can't finish. Okay. Then you see all these people, so we can't insult Naija Wash. So then they with Naija Wash. Another blogger can come and say, I go dey pay una, I go dey pay una. They can't drop Naija Wash, they can't run follow that one. That one self can't use them make the money, you not pay. Another blogger constantly come out again. Hey, we go pay una, we dey find una small thing, we dey find small thing. They constantly drop that one, they constantly follow that one. That is the reason why most of them fall down. That is the reason why the Sovona Idwa na be the akpanike, na be the pepper body where they can use for Naija Wash. So because Naija Wash not give them, we will settle down, follow Naija Wash. Now we enjoy am. Till today, sef, we are still enjoying Naija Wash. And the many say we know the talk. Me and Naija Wash not the talk. Naija Wash not never, since when our contract is stop, Naija Wash never carry phone and make come in. I don't even do Naija Wash anything because of these people's stupidity. Now Naija Wash they group me, join them. When Naija Wash not gonna use me again. Although fine, he still do am well because I don't weak. You understand? I don't weak. Now make Naija Wash not gonna use me again. Really, if you see me, I don't weak. Something where you do for 5 years, you suppose weak now. You try now. I don't weak. Mona reason since 2014, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, which is 6 years, I be 7 years. I don't weak now. I don't they do video. Don't they do video? They do before Naija Wash come contract me. Naija Wash contract me 2018. 19, 18, 19, 20, 21. No, okay, more remove 21. 3 years, 20, 3 years. A bit 2 years. I try now. But that 3 years where I take serve Naija Wash, I know it's sort out one day. They don't even hear anything from the both of us one day. I bet my people wanna arrest it. We repair Naija Wash, wait for una. Mona come enter. But as una come, una don't enter Naija Wash now, una spoil am. Una don't spoil and finish now, una come out now, una come damage am, una come fall in hand, una come fall and finish. We dey here we go still raise am because our eye dey see everything. Although we know they talk for social media again, but we dey see everything. As they are renounce now, we don't renounce for social media. Una no say we will come like this, when they talk for social media like this. We just say more, just see the cash cruise. Understand? We don't weak. People don't already know us past before una. Una be our grandchildren. Now una be for social media. Like that one where they sort he head that day. Now my grand pikin. All of una our follower before. Understand? So we don't do our pass. Now now see musician, when musician go play. Sometimes musician will come tired, go say I don't fit do again. Go can't leave am for your children. Understand? So na so we now, na so we be. We don't do am tire, we don't rest, we don't tire, we no dey do again. So we leave am for una. But una wey we leave am for una, your corner turn to Jezebel, turn to daughters of iniquity, abi how dey call them. Una change everything. Na so we kill ourselves the time wey una come. Wa agbe onya o. Naija wash no get wetin e do una o. I use God beg una. No be Naija wash be una problem. No be Naija wash still cause problem for una body. No be Naija wash na cause stupidity for una body. No be same Naija wash na cause frustration for una body. Do what frustrating and while you face a cross over by una self. Go and carry your cross by yourself. Understand? For you to jealous and disturb person wey better pass you, tell am say make e show you road. You hear me? No ya kpokpe no masse, we no zagbon no ma won. Idiot people everywhere. No sestical no stand. Why go wa? If a boy fear kun le luwa. No even wa your bogbe you don't know. If you know say you don't craze for social media. You don't frustrate for social media. Kyo don't enter your head. Go carry your cross by yourself. Not drop person follow body. Leave Naija wash. Hello. Una wey come dey talk lie about Naija wash for social media. Viewers wey wan still lis ten, una no lis ten to anybody o. The thing wey dem wan come talk about Naija wash na lie. Na dem wan come talk. I love you all. I still remember General Koduwa Ugo, Odogwu one mama, Akata Aka, animal wey no dey fear lion. I greet una. Respect. Today I am Ugo. Today na power of Naija wash. Naija wash make many of us, many presenter blow. Na many presenter today na Naija wash na make all of us blow. Na make all of us make name. People dey respect us today. They dey respect us today. They give us our compliment today. Na Naija wash power. Naija wash is the one that bring many of us up. Nobody know us before. Na Naija wash na carry us come out, na bring us come out, na bring us up. When Naija wash bring us come out, we bring us up. You know say we can't insult anybody. Naija wash never send us to insult anybody. Broadcast what you know. Na Naija wash talk. But una turn am. When Naija wash come see say una don dey carry una mat dey go where una no suppose to carry una mat go. Na the man suffer run for una. The man run for una finish na una begin dey una come out for live video begin dey insult am. May insult kill una. May anybody insult that man again. Why abagmo? Bad people wey be say men I no dey like better thing. Una wan una still kill that one career. Una no go fit kill a career. Na him go kill una career. I don't mind ya reported YouTube one by one. Or you reported YouTube one or drop a YouTube wire. Why go? God punish all of una. Anybody wey no say don't fuck up for the live video style, I beg go face your fuck up. You understand? If you die now, if you want go kingdom of heaven, you go kingdom of heaven by yourself. If you want go kingdom of fire, you go your fire by yourself. Not draw Naija wash follow body. He not send you message. Eyan see frustration you egbewe webo. Eyan see zuo you egbewe webo. Eyan we no do atiebo gedo. Eyan we no do atiebo na we great men in mamevedo. You understand? You will not feel repair your house where they repair person house. Not be Naija wash send you message about be. Una leave Naija wash alone. So I will say my eye no reach now. I go the year. I know the time when Naija wash take come. I still know the time when Naija wash take change everything. Now start Naija wash. We be the first set when Naija wash start to dey use, when Naija wash start to dey carry a program. So now know Naija wash. No buna we come meet am for half time. We repair Naija wash mona come enter. That our time we operate Naija wash well. We even pay put. Now yeah. So we repair am mona come enter. Una enter finish, una spoil am. Una wan come beat the man. Person wey make una become great person today. Then una wan beat am now. I am proud of it today. Naija wash make me Ugo. Today. And I am proud of it. I dey proud. I dey use hand knock my chest now. Naija wash now make me Ugo today. I dey do live video. How many people dey watch me? Sometimes 20 people go dey watch me. Sometimes 50. The day where I go 650 view, I go dey happy. That time I go dey now take the shout self. Sometimes 10 people go dey look me. Sometimes 5 go dey look me that time. But when I register Naija Watch, when Naija Watch come call for me, say okay, see the contract, see how the contract wan be. Me and I come sign the contract. We come talk about the contract. Come say okay, 50-50. I say okay. We come to sign the contract. Me go do live video for Facebook like this. Only 10 people go watch me. When me go watch am for Naija Watch, about millions go watch am. My phone go dey ring. Who go? I use am see glory. Is that one not enough for you? Which other thing are you looking for? When you don dey see glory, you from there do your own, dey make your money for inside corner there. As your superstar wey you be, you dey use your superstar level take dey make money there. Since Naija Watch don make you blow. No depend say Naija Watch go come pay you. You no come expect person wey make you star make come still pay you. Are you people okay? Are you mad? Who wa me ya? Abeg muna carry una wahala go that side. Muna no spoil that guy career o. That guy dey operate that Naija Watch. He dey operate that thing right from time. Nobody spoil am o. No be una wey come yesterday una wan come spoil am o. Muna no try am. No be una mate o. Why o? Why do the Iowa? Maybe no maybe your why. I no know why. Una no like better thing. Una no like better thing. We repair. The muffin of a boligi. The muffin we even come the boligi that time self. We even said the muffin now go even come spoil Naija Watch for us. No, the muffin don't spoil am. The muffin don't spoil am. Now we just come. Now just come yesterday. Now one know there. Why do the Iowa? Small children. Now one come spoil am. Una wey even dey spoil person for Europe sef, who una be? Who know una? Wetin una dey fit do? Pikin una get, una no fit take care of una pikin. Husband una get, una no fit take care of husband. Wife una get, una no fit take care of una wife. Children una get, una no fit take care of una children. Food sef una no dey fit eat. Now they come out for live video, come dey sort people wey better pass una. Come dey sort great people. Like that guy that day carry one big man come out. Very big man. If una see the man who just see the man appearance, no say the man a big man. Pure big man. If you see the man children, man gallant, finish, man clean. Last now come know so man. The man second to the last son na barrister. Wey small boy wey dey talk for live video for Europe here, wey dey run dey go, wey be so may not get house, carry pictures, carry am come out for live video, dey say message to so person when I call am come for me. The matter dey my table. Matured man like that, big man like that. The matter dey your table. You will be small pikin. Old man like that matter dey your table. You wan come talk for old man matter. Who you be? E dey your table. Wetin you wan talk? They carry that old man matter come give you. The old man matter dey your table. Because you be Odion way, abi because you be Enogi, abi na you be our Oba, abi na you be because you be judge, you be police, abi you be soldier, abi I no understand. Say the matter dey your table. But your own matter wey dey your body. Person wey matter dey your table don train children come out for school. They don come out for university, become what they become. Person wey matter dey your table get battery wife for house, wey born for her, wey dey control, wey dey talk, wey dey take care of. See, they take care of their children. You will not fit take care of one. They bring person, they bring elderly man matter come and you want come disgwagwa and see the way he was talking to the man. They disgwagwa the man no even answer her. But that man wey quiet, you know wetin they do why he quiet. Tomorrow, if that man react tomorrow now, then we'll call and say that man a bad man. You see, untimely death, unnecessary death, bad death still dey exist, e still dey come. Ema buna oye fi hàn wu. Ave small boys iwaye buna oye fi hàn wu wewe bona. Ave small girls iwaye buna oye fi hàn wu wewe bona. Benu wamana ruwe mwa wamana lue mwa ne bu wa. Uwa ya fi hàn wu mwa ba wan. Do mwe hiore Naija washi. Do mwe me Naija washi la dia. Wagi me topic. If na see so na not get topic again, the next thing when I come message to Naija wash. Must you message to somebody? Don't you have a creativity? Can't you create something? Create something to do. Must you message? If na your see so na not get topic again, yeah, message to Naija wash. Naija wash, oh, this and this now, call they talk better lie. Not because he give una chance. The chance when Naija wash give una this time, Naija wash no give us that time. For our time, Naija wash no give us time. The time we give una so, where they talk to una. We get time when we take the call Naija wash, we will gist. We get time we will not take the call am. You can't call Naija wash anyhow that time. For our time. We dey get the time, we dey write am down. Say okay, na the time be this, we come call am. How far? Bros, I greet, how you play now? See wetin dey sup. We go say okay, we your gist normal. If na 3 hours now, take talk, wahala no dey ready to talk with you. You understand? But if you never reach that time, if you call am, he no answer you now. If he even answer you sef, the way we go even take talk to you, go know so man. If you get some kind of conversation wey me and Naija wash convert together, if I screenshot some for una see am, una fear. You understand? The chance we give una, so e no give us that time. Because all of una don go na YouTube channel, na wan subscribe to my YouTube channel. No, una no dey say subscribe to na YouTube channel again. Una say subscribe to my stupidity. Because all of una dey stupid. Subscribe to my stupidity. We go subscribe for una. Because all of them are stupid people. Stupid. Go and do something. Go and find something reasonable. Go and do something good with your platform on social media. Leave people who don't fight you guys. Una no dey fight person, we no dey fight una again. Una here, una do. And Naija wash mama no why. Wage go ma no go wagbina. Where I mean, all Benin live video presenter in Europe, they not get better thing where they talk. They not pass. Oh, go kill your papa. Oh, go kill your mama. Go kill your pikin. Kill your this thing. Now person that go kill your pikin head for your pikin. Your pikin will be beside. See that one that they went and not cost. Then they tell say, hey, go wife na blind person. They say don't blind. Like say na your head na come blind. He way not blind. He not they see. He way not blind, not they see. Who don't blind, they see pass am. He way not blind, he not they see. Because they think bury where we Jenny. I beg I not fit talk, Jare. So I love you all. Mona let peace reign. Make peace day. If you know say you don't fuck up, you don't use your hand cause wetin go kill you. You don't use your mouth take talk nonsense for live video. No draw Naija wash join body abeg. Go face your cross by yourself. Yeah? God punish una.